Why is the VERICUT Optimizer essential for any CNC business? In CNC machining, every second of spindle time costs money, and every unnecessary tool load, slow feed rate, or inefficient motion reduces our profit. VERICUT Optimizer is designed to eliminate exactly those hidden losses. First, VERICUT Optimizer makes every CNC program faster. It analyzes our existing G-code and adjusts feed rates and rapid movements based on tool load, material, and machine capabilities. When the tool can safely cut faster, it increases feed. When forces get too high, it slows down to protect the tool. When the tool moves through air, it uses maximum machine speed. The result, typical cycle time reductions of 10 to 30%. That means more parts per shift without buying more machines. Shorter cycles directly reduce machine hours. If we can save even 10% on a 5-hour job, and we run it 50 times, that is 25 hours of machine time gain. For busy shops like ours, this is the same as adding another CNC machine without spending up to 300,000 euros. Optimizer adjusts feed rates in real time based on force and chip thickness, keeping every tool within its safe working range. This leads to fewer broken tools, lower tool budget, more predictable production, better surface finish.